Big setback for the Mamta government ahead of the election 6 months from now. Minister turned rebel Trinamool MLA Shuvendu Adhikari has tendered his resignation letter to the West Bengal Assembly Secretariat, quitting as an MLA of Mamta's party. Adhikari, one of the stalwarts and founding members of the Trinamool, is expected to join the BJP after quitting. Last evening in a rally, the Trinamool rebel had virtually dared Mamta by asserting that he has the support of the people. He had added that repeated attacks on him won't deter him from taking this stand. His resignation comes after the Bengal Chief Minister Mamta had made an allegation saying that the BJP was trying to poach the Trinamool MLA.
मुझे नहीं मालूम आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे हैं, समय बताएगा, क्योंकि काफ़ी दिन से इस बात चर्चा में है। आते हैं तो हम उनको स्वागत करते हैं, क्योंकि कई बड़े बड़े नेता भाजपा में शामिल होकर के भाजपा का संगठन बढ़ाए हैं, जीत में योगदान दिए हैं और इस प्रकार आगे चलकर बंगाल का विकास में उनका योगदान रहेगा।
अप्रोच तो सबका ही करने चाहता है, अप्रोच करने से कोई हर्जा नहीं है, लेकिन अप्रोच करने से होगा नहीं। अभी तृणमूल का जो लीडर लोग थे, पहले जो तृणमूल तैयार किया है, वो लोग डिसीजन ले लिया है। ये तृणमूल जो लीडरशिप अभी चल रहा है, उसका साथ वो लोग काम करेगा नहीं। देखिए, ये 25 होने सकता, 50 होने सकता, 100 भी होने सकता। क्या होना है ये हमारा पास कोई अंदाजा नहीं है।
আমি বড় বা ও বড় কোনো প্রয়োজন নেই। 10 বছর পার্টির হয়ে খেয়ে, 10 বছর গভর্নমেন্টে থেকে গভর্নমেন্টের সবটা খেয়ে ইলেকশনের সময় এর সাথে ওর সাথে বোঝা বদলে আমি কিন্তু তাদের টলারেট করি না, এটা মাথায় রাখবেন। 365 দিন যারা মানুষের সাথে ছিলেন এই 10 বছর, তাদেরই পরীক্ষা দিতে হবে। আর এই পরীক্ষা 21-এ এমন পরীক্ষা দেবেন যাতে বিজেপি আর কোনোদিন পরীক্ষা দিতে বসতে না পারে।
Manogya Lohwal with us live from Kolkata. Manogya, so is this all done and dusted, full and final? Shuvendu Adhikari has quit as MLA. Next stop, BJP?
Looks almost like that, but never say never in politics. And with several politicians joining the bandwagon, expect with rest assured that this would be one of the biggest exits from TMC and one of the biggest entry into BJP in the recent months. In the presence of Amit Shah on West Midnapur, that is the plan as of now of the party, as our sources have been confirming to us that he would be joining. And this would also be a show of strength in the presence of the Home Minister Amit Shah. Besides all this, what we've been hearing is not just about the first step taken by Shuvendu Adhikari, but also many more MLAs, including a few MPs also of TMC like Sunil Mandal, who've started raising their voice, raising their decibel, and have been propagating their dissent out in public. This hasn't happened for several months now. Not only about mentioning names, dropping names of Urban Development Minister like Firhad Hakim, that was done by Jitendra Tiwari, and of course Shuvendu Adhikari keeping mum and yet taking that big step forward speaks volumes about what is here, all set to happen in the state of West Bengal.
You know, Manogya, I can't think of a journalist who can answer this question better than you, but what does Shuvendu Adhikari bring to the BJP ahead of this election? Specifically, we know he's a big guy, founding member, he's done many things, he's been close to Mamta, has a, mass base, etc. But specifically, what will the BJP, if he's joining the BJP that is, what will they be looking for him to bring to the party for this election?
Well, I put it the other way around. There's always a flag that flutters high, but there's always a pole that holds it tight. For TMC, he was nothing less than a pole that had almost formed the organizational strength of the party. And if that breaks and if that moves ahead, what remains is just a flag. How will it flutter high? That would be a big question for even TMC to answer. But BJP knows that like Mukul Roy, he will also get a lot of organizational skill, experience, expertise, and the entire know-how of the region like East and West Midnapur up to the area of Bardhaman that will have an impact of nothing less than between 50 to 100 seats in the impending elections. And that itself speaks the focus of BJP on why they were so keen on getting Shuvendu on board and why Shuvendu wanted to move ahead as soon as possible. Curtsy the dissent in the party that could not be sorted at any point of time despite series of meetings.
This is going to be one hell of a potboiler of an election. The campaign has begun. Anyone who's saying that things are escalating in Bengal, that's an understatement. They've been at an escalated level since 2019. Manogya has been all through that war zone and heading into another war zone. We'll keep a track. Thanks, Manogya, for joining us on that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.